You're watching Rebec's Radical Rise.
Only the boobs, don't grab the boobs.
Hi.
Is that you?
Hi. What are we doing?
Come
on, Luke. You actually even recording?
Are you recording?
I forgot to use this thing. I'm recording.
What do you got?
G6.
I got 5. It's just glitching out right now, so I'm just looking like I'm doing something.
Look at all the
Right.
sadness.
It's not as user-friendly, but you can do more here.
Broken.
See, I'm pushing 40, so...
Why'd you break it?
Because I tried to win a race. All right, we're slowly taking apart the Camaro. And see where that paint's disturbed? Right there. See that shininess? That's where the rod came out. There's 2 spots there, and there. So something beat down inside there. We're gonna pull this out. We're gonna dress the new one and the new transmission, and put the torque that's in here in that tranny, and that's what we're doing. Hey team, how'd it go back there?
Pretty much all organized and most successful.
Are you the best girlfriend in the world?
I try to be. I'm out of breath.
Oh fuck, she is the best. So, as I take the carburetor off, I look down inside and I think we had a piston fucking blow up real good. Oh god. Well, that's when you know you got engine problems on cylinder number 1. There's some stuff on number fucking 8 or 7, but I don't know why. God. Yep, parts. There was a guy interested in these heads, but I don't think he will be because that's a piece of the valve. All right, so we're pulling the spark plug out just for shits and giggles to see how destroyed it is. What happened? Huh. Yeah, so there's definitely no more piston.
So is that still good, or?
This part, no.
I'm joking.
No. Look, the electrode and
It's a joke.
the electrode and the ground are touching, so I don't think it'll spark.
No, it's okay.
But the good news is all the valve train on this side is still nice, and I'm expecting the same on the other side. So. All right, so we got the engine and trans out, and because this thing's so light, we needed to counterbalance. Right. Super safe. That's how they do it in the pro shops, right? So it's break time.
You're zooming. Don't zoom.
Get a bite there. Get a bite in there. Come on.
You dog.
Oh, there's something on your front tooth I could see from here. All right, we got 1 cylinder head off, and we're panning for pistons. It's like fucking gold rush in here. Oh, look at that. She's a 3-ounce. She's worth about fuck all on the market right now. Fuck. All right, so we're gonna lift the cylinder head off and reveal the carnage that is cylinder number 1. Oh!
It's actually still connected, and I twisted. Well, we don't know yet. That's exciting.
The valve shit, but both valves are shit. That might be fucked. Yeah, and look how cracked it is right there.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh god.
Right there.
Fuck. Still a good engine, just need a sleeve. Wow.
I'll have to fab up a transmission part.
What are you fabbing up?
Transmission cross member.
For your truck?
Yeah.
Mike's got a new truck. We're gonna go check out his project someday. Hi, Abby. Are you going to work? Aw, so sad. You won't be able to hear this thing fire up.
That's not funny.
I know, I'm just kidding. So me and Mike got the motor in, and we're just probably gonna measure some stuff, and we're not gonna get too much further tonight. All right, guys. I spent a little time polishing this up. Not too much time, but did it real quickly with the Mastercraft felt thingy. Maybe we could kind of see ourselves. Not bad, not bad. So anyways, we'll put everything there just to have a good look at it. Man, that looks cool. Approve, Alex? You approve? Fuck yeah. I'm Alex and I approve this message. Okay guys, pretty much got everything buttoned up. I just gotta throw a battery in the back, and we gotta figure out if this thing makes noise, and we'll see if it was worth spending all that money. Come on, you're gonna be pretty, right? You're gonna fuck some shit up, aren't you? Fucking tell me!
The paint was like falling off the ceiling.
Okay, so okay, hang on. That's not even timed. That's literally me like, yeah, that's about right.
Look at your poster, for fuck's sakes.
Okay, I'm happy.
Yay.
Hi, friends. We're back in action.